Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 16 for the beautymas / Vlogmas series here on my YouTube channel where I film throughout the entire month of December. And today is day 13 of my top 5 favorite makeup product or beauty products series. So today we are going to be talking all about blush. So in 5th place, we have the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush. I have the shade Joy. I absolutely love these blushes. They're one of my favorites. They are definitely really pigmented. I really do like that a lot, but I do have to kind of use a small amount of it because it definitely does go a long way. It is so good. And actually a dupe, I think it's a dupe for the Rare Beauty blush is the e.l.f. Camo Lip Blush. This one is in 4th place. I have the shade Dusty Rose and I love this blush. It is so nice. The color is amazing for my skin tone and it is so good. Okay, in 3rd place I have the LYS Higher Standard Satin Matte Cream Blush. This is in the shade Humble. I really do also love this shade. It's amazing. I do really like the packaging too. It's really nice. In 2nd place, I'm actually wearing this blush right now. It is one of my favorites. This is a Patrick Ta Double Take Cream and Powder Blush. This is in the shade Not Too Much. And again, this specific blush shade is actually the perfect one for my skin tone. I really do love this blush. 1st place, I actually have 3 blush shades from this makeup brand because I did want to include all of the 3 blushes because I don't have a favorite. All of them are so good. These are the ravie Beauty Endless Diffusion Everyday Baked Blush. I have Oasis, Daydream, and Paradise. They're all great blushes. And again, this is in 1st place of my top 5 favorite blushes. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys tomorrow for day 17. Bye!